with your fucking joint, man.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Dante from GrownGreen here. Got another pack opening for you today. Got an MLB pack opening, baseball pack opening. This first one we got a Allen Ginter pack. A Topps Allen Ginter 2022 World Series unopened. And then these two packs are actually very interesting. They're Yankee Stadium Legacy packs. We actually got these from when we went to a game. I believe it was in 2017. It was a Yankee game. Maybe I'll pop some highlights up now of that. Most memorable moment from that game, I remember Aaron Judge hitting a home run. That was pretty sweet. Seeing him in person, he is an absolute giant. But let's rip into these packs, see what these were about. See if there's anything interesting in here. Got a Whitney Ford. Tino Masling. Herb Pennock. Check the back of those out. They have the scores of the game. Pretty cool. Back on those. And you got a legacy card. Collect history. You can check the back out there. Pause if you want to read all that stuff. It's pretty interesting. These were produced by Upper Deck, so. And I don't remember if we purchased them at the stadium or if they gave it to us at our seats, because we did have pretty sweet seats for the game. But yeah, let's check this one out. So we got a Moose right here. Nice. Ooh, an Annie Pettit. Johnny Minge. Cool, guys. So that was a pretty interesting pack there, same as the other one. Let's get into this Allen Ginter pack. I don't know what we're gonna have in here. So this is also unopened. We're gonna check this out. Rip this one open, see what we got in here. So the first card is a Josh Donaldson. Nice, I like the design on these cards. Really old school. Jacob DeGrom. Nice. Crawford. JP Crawford. Check the back of that out. Check the back of these cards out. That's what they look like, guys. You can pause at any time to see them. Now we got a 1975 NL MVP. That's a pretty cool card. Let's check the back of him out. Okay. Joe Morgan, the little Joe. You can pause that and read that. That's pretty cool. Okay, what is this? A little postcard or something? Ronald. That's pretty cool. Check the back out there. I can read that if you want. Kate Brown, no. Cool. And then the last card is going to be a Joey Votto. That's a pretty cool card there. Check the back out. Awesome, guys. So that was a nice little pack we ripped there. If you guys enjoy the content, please like, subscribe. Link to my eBay will be in the description. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.
GrownGreen.